Dear learners, welcome to the today's teleconference session on M.Sc Biochemistry. Myself, Dr. M. Abdul Kareem, Faculty of Science, Department of Biochemistry. In this session, we will be discussing about what is all about this program, that is M.Sc Biochemistry, and how this program will help you to build a career in the field of M.Sc Biochemistry, and as well as what are the components of this course. So now I welcome my colleague Dr. Arvind to share.
I am Dr. Arvind Shakya, Faculty of Biochemistry, School of Sciences. In this session, I will talk about the M.Sc Biochemistry. So we will introduce you the M.Sc Biochemistry program. What is the fees structure, what is the eligibility, what are the course structure of this M.Sc Biochemistry. We will talk about in this session.
Yeah, so learners, so the major aim of this program is to provide you the basic information regarding the M.Sc Biochemistry program. That is, what are the basic courses, electives, optional courses, and practical oriented courses, and everything will be discussed in this session. Okay, coming to the main objectives of this course. This course includes the major concepts of biochemistry, where you will be learning the concepts of biochemistry by going through the various core courses as well as various elective courses and the practical oriented courses. The another important objective of this course is to provide you the desired knowledge and skill that is required to perform your day-to-day jobs once you attain the degree of biochemistry. Not only that, this course, this program, M.Sc Biochemistry program, and the courses present in this program will help you to gain the skills that will help you to do a job like a researcher or in a industrial, or you can become an entrepreneur, or you can start your career in the field of academia.
Yeah, so this course is the M.Sc Biochemistry program, and ये जो कोर्स है ये अभी इग्नू में शुरू हो रहा है और हो चुका है शुरू जनवरी 2024 से साइकिल से एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम इन द ओपन एंड डिस्टेंस लर्निंग. सो इग्नू इज ऑफरिंग दिस प्रोग्राम एंड द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम इज मिनिमम 2 years and maximum 4 years. And the admission fees is the 36,200 annual, and the entire fees structure of 2 years is the 72,400 in addition to the exam fees. So the medium of the this M.Sc Biochemistry program is English medium. So you will get the study material in English medium. So you have to remember this. It is not a Hindi medium program, it is the English medium program. So you will study this program in English medium.
Yeah. And so to add on what Dr. Arvind has said, I would like to say that this course is totally of 2 years. Okay, so in which you will be studying 4 different semesters. Okay, so in these semesters you will be dealing with like semester 1 to semester 4, and as I said, this entire program is consisting of 80 credits. Okay, so in this 80 credits you will be taking care of core courses which are of like 14 credits and 12 credits of practical. After that, you will be studying elective courses, and these elective courses are having total of 16 credits. Then there is a project at the end of this program that is in the 4th semester, which is of 8 credits. So totally it is going to be 80 credits program. Okay, which is divided into 4 semesters. Now, what is a core course? Because these are the courses that will give you the basic fundamental information about the subject, that is biochemistry, and the nature of biochemistry discipline. And apart from this, there are elective courses, and these elective courses are nothing but the allied subjects. That means along with biochemistry you will be studying some elective courses like plant biochemistry, microbiology, physiology, which we will discuss in the coming slides. And also you will be having laboratory courses. There are totally 3 laboratory courses in this program and 1 laboratory course per semester. Okay, And this is the structure. Now I request Dr. Arvind to please explain about this structure.
Dr. Kareem said there are two components of the MSc Biochemistry program. First होता है core subject, core papers and the elective papers. So core paper is the mandatory, मतलब आपको ये चीज़ पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है, core subject जो अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके course structure के बारे में. And एक होता है elective courses. So elective courses is the optional courses. You have to choose 2 courses in each year. So the core courses, elective courses and the project work. So there are 3 components here in the MSc Biochemistry program: core courses, elective and the project courses. So we will focus on the what are the courses of the first semester. क्योंकि यह जो प्रोग्राम है सेमेस्टर वाइज प्रोग्राम है. सो 4 सेमेस्टर का प्रोग्राम है. अभी हम डिस्कस करें, डॉक्टर करीम बताएंगे आपको कि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हैं.
या सो since we have designed this program in such a way that you will be introduced to the basics of the biochemistry. So that very basics, because if you look into the eligibility of this program, first of all, the students who has 10+2 with biology, physics and chemistry, along with in their BSc, if they are like science graduates from botany, zoology, biochemistry, biotechnology, and the graduates from the field like BTech biotechnology, and the graduates of veterinary sciences, even some of the learners like they are doing their what is called as medical degrees also joining this program. Okay, so looking into this vast diversity of the program and the eligibility, what we did, so we have designed courses in such a way that you will be introduced to the basics of the subject, that is biochemistry, in the form of the first semester courses like concepts of biochemistry and cell and molecular biology and bioanalytical techniques, because these are the 3 core courses that will help you to know the very basics and very fundamentals of the biochemistry subject as such. And if you look into the table also, you can see here these are like theory courses. First 3 are the theory courses and they consist of 4 credits each. And in the end of this semester, you can see there is one laboratory course, that is practical course. Okay, so this again I would like to say here, we have designed these practicals in such a way that these practical courses are going to take care of all the 3 theory courses which you have studied in this semester. Okay, that is the best part. And then at the bottom of this table you can see there are the elective courses. Okay, and these elective courses are like addition to the core courses. And remember here, the important point to be remembered here is, so you need to choose only 2 elective courses per 1 year. However, in this table we are mentioning it as a first semester, but for first semester and as well as for second semester you will be taking only 2 electives, that is either plant biochemistry or human physiology or microbiology. So this is how the first semester works. Then coming to the second semester, then the second semester is having little bit of like what is called as in-depth knowledge about the enzymes and concepts of metabolism and an advanced topic called recombinant DNA technology. So why? Because see, whenever you are studying any biochemical aspects, any biochemistry subject, so you need to have a basics of the mechanisms, that mechanisms which are mainly dealt by the enzymes. Similarly, in biochemistry, the another core area is metabolisms. Okay, so here this metabolism paper will give you an overview of what is happening inside a living system. And the third course of this semester is recombinant DNA technology, which is nothing but an advanced topic, and the lab is also composing of all these 3 theory courses which you have studied. Okay, now Dr. Arvind will explain you about the 3rd and 4th semester courses.
Yeah. After completing the first year, then you will move to the third semester, which is the second year courses. So in the 3rd semester, you will study the bioinformatics and the biostatics, genetics and evolution biology, clinical biochemistry, and the one is the practical lab of biochemistry. And another, apart from these 3 courses, there are 3 elective courses, which is the immunology, immunological techniques, toxicology and the omics courses. So these are the courses are advanced level of biochemistry study. So in this 3rd semester you will study 3 papers, bioinformatics and biostatics, which deals with the the brief knowledge about the what is bioinformatics and what is use of the biostatics in the study of the biochemistry. And another paper, genetics and evolution biology, you will get the knowledge about the genetics and the role of the genetics in the evolution biology. And third is the very application oriented course is the clinical biochemistry. So the clinical biochemistry course is the study of the clinical relevance of biochemistry in our day-to-day life. It is related to the health. So apart from these three core courses, one is the biochemistry lab papers. And in the elective courses, the omics, toxicology and immunological techniques. And the fourth semester, here you can see that each course is of the 4 credits here. So the fourth semester you will study the research methodology, animal and plant tissue culture, and the research project. So research project is the conducting the some type of the research based on the research methodology. So research methodology and research project are complementary each other. By studying the research methodology, it will help to you how to do the research project in the laboratory.
Yeah. So here just I would like to add the few more concepts which you have discussed in the fourth semester especially. So that is regarding the methodology paper and as well as animal plant tissue culture and research project. So the 3 semesters they are discussing mainly about the fundamentals. So whereas this fourth semester they will be doing more of project oriented courses, and these project oriented courses will help the learners to gain the desired skills.
Yes.
And one more thing, if you look into the paper called research methodology also. So if I am not wrong, this paper will also help the learners to know how to design the research problem and how to execute their idea into a what is called as projects and convert them into a product. Okay. Yes. And apart from that, the other paper that is animal and plant tissue culture, this will also help the learners to gain their hands-on skills in the demand areas called plant and tissue culture. Yeah. So this is how the 4 semesters of this program have been divided. So would you like to add something?
Yeah. If you do the research project, this project is only the hands-on project, hands-on the training. It will develop your hands-on the biochemistry equipment training, and by doing this, you can develop the reasoning and the solving problems skills also. So it will enhance. So this program it will enhance the reasoning problems, how to solve your day-to-day life queries, and how to address the biochemical problems, especially related to the M.Sc biochemistry. So it is the project is related to the develop the research skills, research aptitudes.
So actually here one more course is also there in this program, that is called as bioinformatics and biostatistics, because this program is just like what is called as an interdisciplinary in nature. That means these subjects like bioinformatics and biostatistics will give you an idea so how to what is called as use information technology in the field of biological sciences. So especially this bioinformatics and biostatistics will be just like a what is called a skill set for every learner to excel further in their research career and as well as to enter into any pharma industry. So up to now we have discussed about the nature and the structure of the program. So now we will be discussing how you are going to, once you enroll into this program, and how you are going to, what kind of support you are going to get from us, from the IGNOU. So especially the main support from the IGNOU will be in the form of self-learning materials. That is the printed books which will be delivered to you. And apart from that, we will be providing open educational resources, nothing but OERs. And time to time, you need to submit the assignments and you need to attend the counseling sessions and as well as the practical sessions. So just to give a glimpse of what is this SLM is nothing but self-learning material, the material that is developed by the in-house faculty in consultation with the pan-India expertise. Okay, and this material will help you to go through the curriculum. Okay, and here in this material we will be incorporating the advanced topics and there are some additional topics also. And this material can be accessed from our web portal that is called EGNOU, and along with that there is another portal that is called Web Enabled Academic Support System. So from these two portals, you can access the e-content, that is the soft copy of this material. However, you will be given the hard copies to your doorstep delivery. If while taking the admission, if you are opting for the hard copies, you will be getting those hard copies at your doorstep. That is one aspect. And another thing is, as we mentioned here, practicals are the major component and practicals is a mandatory component of this program. So why? Because for theory counseling, there is an option. If student learner is available, he can attend the theory counseling sessions, that is on Saturdays and Sundays at your desired study centers. But whereas coming to this practical work, since this every course is of 4 credits in its worth, okay, you need to attend minimum of 2 weeks of laboratory. Okay, so where you will be having what is called as guided and as well as the unguided practical sessions. So in this, guided means there will be a counselor, there will be a teacher who is going to train you how to exhibit, how to perform the lab experiments. At the end of this second week, they are going to conduct an examination which will be your assessment examinations. So this is how the practical system in IGNOU will work, especially for the program of biochemistry. So Dr. Arvind, would you like to add something here?
Yeah. So you know that in biochemistry, M.Sc biochemistry program has the 3 biochemistry labs. So where you will do the practical courses, you will do the practicals, lab practicals in the study center. So regional center in coordination with the study center, which is called the Learners Study Centers LSC, where you will do the practicals of the M.Sc biochemistry. So there is a practical schedule which will be provided to you by the regional centers, and it will and the practical schedule will be uploaded on the regional center portal. So when you do the practicals, when you know that the biochemistry lab is of the 4 cadets, so there is a 14 days, 2 weeks of the biochemistry practical you will do in the study centers. So and after doing this, the 14 days, the practicals of each practicals according to the lab manual you will do, and 1 day will be the practical viva, which is the unguided.
Definitely, yeah. So you want to say something about teleconferences? And
Yeah. Apart from this, the M.Sc biochemistry, after taking the admission, there is a teleconference sessions and the Gyanwadi sessions, interactive radio counseling, and the Gyan Darshan session. So time to time, the faculty of biochemistry will teach you the course content, the topics related to the M.Sc biochemistry, and you know each course has the course coordinator. Exactly. Okay, so each course coordinator, they're responsible to deliver the study material timely and teach you online, Google meeting, teleconferencing like Gyan Darshan, radio, interactive radio counseling session. These are our web-based portals we will give to you to support the M.Sc biochemistry study material.
So just to add on what Dr. Arvind has said, so I would like to just give one advice to my learners. That is, see, whenever we are giving you the program guide, in program guide we are mentioning everything about the program and as well as the support systems also. So now it is your responsibility to look into the program guide and as well as to follow the channels that are there on the IGNOU platform. For example, like radio counseling session, teleconferences, okay, and our VAS portal, our Swayam portal. All these portals are available to benefit you by providing the learner support system. So it is my advice to learners to just keep on following these sessions and just listen to the particular lectures where you will be given the updated information regarding the courses and as well as the ongoing activities. Okay, and coming to the evaluation, which is also a major important what is called as aspect to be known here. So for every theory course, there are like 2 types of assessments. One is called continuous assessment. The other one is called term end assessment. Okay, so in this continuous assessment is done in the form of your assignments. Okay, that means for every course you will be finding some assignments on the IGNOU portal. From download section, you can download the assignments and you can give the answers. Okay, and after that, at the end of the year, you will be having term end examinations. Okay, and the term end examination weightage is like 70%, whereas for the continuous assessment, that is called assignments, is having 30% of the weightage. Similarly, if you go for the laboratory courses, the assessment is like reverse, like flipped model. So in this, what is happening in laboratory for guided what is called as examinations, you will be given 70% of weightage, whereas for the unguided portion, you will be getting 30% of the weightage. But remember, attending the practical sessions and completing them is a mandatory, and as well as completing the assignments and theory examination also mandatory.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you complete these two components, you will be getting a degree in biochemistry. And one more point here I would like to say, that is, if you are going to complete the first year of this M.Sc biochemistry, you will be given a PG diploma in biochemistry. If you are going to complete both the years, you will be given M.Sc, that is postgraduate in the biochemistry degree. Yeah. That is how the evaluation system will work. So you want to add something more on this?
Yeah. Yes. So the submission of assignment is mandatory, because before appearing the terminal examination, you have to submit the assignment. Assignment is based on the course material, based on the study that you have studied at your home. So it is generally the assessment of your performance, what you have learned from the study material. You know, the IGNOU study material is a self-learning material. There is no proper classroom teaching, there is no regular classes, so you will miss that portion, because IGNOU offer the program open and distance learning. So the basic understanding to learn the M.Sc biochemistry is the sole source of the self-learning material, either the print material or the soft copy material. So you have, when prepare the assignment, the assignment will be uploaded on the IGNOU at the portal download sections, and you will download when you study the study material course wise, then you can answer the questions of the assignment. So you have to submit the assignment before appearing in the terminal examination.
Yeah, so here since we are discussing about the evaluation and admissions also, just I would like to give you what is called as a brief information about the re-registration process. So there is a process in the IGNOU system that is called re-registration. That means after completion of your first year, because you are going to take admission in the first year of M.Sc biochemistry during the first time. Okay, so after completing your 1 year, okay, you need to re-register yourself. That is for the second year, that is called as re-registration, where you will be paying the fee for the next year also. Okay, so without re-registration, you are not allowed to appear for the second year practicals and as well as second year examinations. So my dear learners, it is my advice and kind of a suggestion to you to timely re-register yourself, so that you will be in touch with the IGNOU system, and we will be able to support you timely. That is the one way where you can complete your course programs in timely manner. So before going to wind up this session, I would like to say, so there is a link given on this slide where you will be taking the admissions through our Samarth portal. So admissions are going on, hence I request you all to just visit this portal and register yourself and enroll to the programs you love and you learn. And these are the contact details from where you can contact myself and Dr. Arvind. You can write us if you have any doubts. So I wish you all best.